Hello everyone, please like and subscribe. Just an amateur diver. This time I was diving in Egypt, Sharm el Sheikh. This is the first two shore dives with the Wave Diving Centre and a guy called Harley. Didn't see a lot, it was just a introduction dive really, just to see how I am after a year off. 22 degrees, 30 meters down, so quite warm. I dived in a shorty. A nice moray eel hiding in the rocks. Quite a calm one. Normally they're open jaws ready to attack, but this one was really calm actually. Like I said at the start, I didn't see a lot, so some of this would just be the coral and some little fish just swimming around. Yeah, just enjoy. This little beauty here is a speckled sand perch. I believe they're born as females and then turn into males later on. Feed on little shrimps and crabs and what have you. Cool little thing. This is a bicolor parrotfish. There was absolutely loads of them in Egypt and they look amazing underwater. All the different colours and they just look amazing. I could sit there and watch them for hours. This little beauty here is a peacock grouper. Carnivore diet. Eats little fish, crabs, and also prawns, I guess. Also very beautiful. And last but not least, a pufferfish. I'm not sure how close I can get to them before they start puffing up, so I don't tend to go any closer than that. Yeah, they're also cool. This one was quite a small one.